Handsome little bugger, eh? Okay, so I've already been getting a whole metric ton of questions on what are you doing for towing mirrors on your Jeep Gladiator? Because we saw that you were towing a travel trailer with the Gladiator. Not the easiest thing to see around. So, pardon my messy recycling bin. A little bit of research online came up pretty quickly that there's really only one viable solution at this time, and that is to adapt JK Rampage towing mirrors onto your Gladiator. Well, how do you do that? It takes some adapters. There is a fella on eBay. I believe his eBay name is Thorn Engineering. I have no affiliation with, didn't get this product for free or anything of the sort. All these bits were paid for out of pocket. So Thorn Engineering came up with an idea to make a 3D printed adapter to adapt a JK towing mirror, Rampage JK towing mirror, onto a Gladiator mirror. Pretty sure I hear some Murica. I was hoping to not have to edit this video, but I would never edit this out. I love my neighborhood. Hell yeah, brother. I was never in the military, but I do work on helicopters for a living. Damn, that made my hair stand up a little bit. So, Thorn Engineering adapters, 3D printed plastic. You drill one little screw, or one little screw. You drill one little hole to put each adapter on. The adapter clips into the JK part of where it would attach to the JK mirror. That clips into the 3D printed adapter. This plastic hook right here, or no, it's a metal hook, and actually you can see the plastic coating is split on it. That's what you get for $40. So this would hook onto the JK mirror. It instead hooks onto the 3D printed adapter. It's actually pretty simple. Let me see if I can get this guy stuck on real quick. I think you can still see a dirt stripe on the mirror from our last trip. So it'll almost hang there by itself. So you can see how big the hooks are. And it literally just sets on there. Kind of let it fall to the bottom where it gets to this radius right here. This will obviously hook onto the other side. So what we found is this doesn't have to be insanely tight. It won't go anywhere. That's literally all there is to it. Looks like we're hanging down just a little bit. So, quick recap. Thorn Engineering adapters, Jeep JK Rampage Towing Mirrors. Amazon for like $40, $44, something like that. I feel like these were like $30. They're not hard to find. Just search on eBay and Amazon respectively. And you too can set these up for yourself. Now, the negatives. The JK mirror, and maybe it's the same on the JK as well. Not just because it's adapted onto a Gladiator. You can only see so far around. In a perfect world, you'd want this to probably stick out another 3 inches, but I just don't know that that's going to be very realistic. I would say the passenger mirror probably, viewing distance wise on the passenger side, you probably gain about 75 yards if I had to guess, which is quite a bit. The driver's side mirror, towing mirror, it probably only gets you about 50 yards of additional view. But when you're trying to change a lane and seeing if somebody's coming up beside you, it definitely helps a lot. Is it the same as a towing mirror on a heavy duty truck? No, absolutely not. They definitely reach out a lot further. But then again, I don't think Rampage was intending for people to be towing travel trailers with Jeeps. So they probably made these for more of like a smaller utility trailer. But that's what's out there for right now. It works. It's not super expensive. And I will say that these Rampage mirrors, even at 65 plus miles an hour, very little vibration. I would almost say no vibration. You can't tell a difference between this glass and that glass going down the freeway. So that's always important, because a vibrating mirror is useless. So hopefully this helps somebody, gives them an idea on what we did for towing mirrors. And Rampage, if you're listening, I can't believe that it's been a year since, actually it's been over a year since Gladiators have hit the streets, and you guys have not come out with a simple mirror to go on the Gladiator or the JL Wrangler. Seems like something that would be able to be created in a day or two in today's world. So if you're listening, we would like to see something that sticks out a inch or two further, maybe an inch taller, and that would be awesome. If you guys have any questions, you know where to put them.